Very good afternoon, dear children. The last class discussed about what is the definition of the matrix, what are the types of matrix. I think everyone understood the what is the definition of the matrix and what are the types of matrices. Today discuss about algebra of matrices. First one is equality of two matrices. Equality of two matrices nothing but two matrices equal. So what is the meaning of the equality of two matrices? Means let two matrices are equal. Let two matrices are equal is said to be equality of two matrices. Then both matrices have same order. Both matrices have same order. We are taking both matrices have same order. A, B, C, D. So another matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4. This matrix is how many rows is there? 2 rows, 2 columns. Order of the matrix 2 by 2. This one also 2 by 2. What is the meaning of the equality of two matrices? Means two matrices are said to be equal. So we are assuming two matrices A and B. These two matrices are said to be equal. So both matrices are equal. That's why we are taking equal symbol. Then both the matrices have same order. Here both the matrices have same order. So both have order we are taking same order. Second option one is the second point. Corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are equal means first element is equal to first element. So A is equal to 1. Next B is equal to 2. Next corresponding elements are equal. First place is equal to first place. First row second place is equal to second place. Second row first place is equal to first place. Second row second place is equal to second. C is equal to 3. D is equal to 4. This is a example of equality of two matrices. What is meaning of the equality of two matrices? Means two matrices are said to be equal. So we are assuming two matrices A and B are equal. Two matrices are said to be equal if both the matrices have same order. Both the matrices have same order and corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements means first place is equal to first place. Second place is equal to second place. Next third place is equal to third place. Fourth place is equal to fourth place. So everyone understood how to equate the two matrices? Means two matrices are said to be equal. Both the matrices have same order. Then corresponding elements are equal. So this is an example. One more example is suppose we are taking x, y, z, w is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Find the x, y, z value. Suppose they are asking find x comma y comma z comma w values. How to find this one? What is the condition? Both the matrices are equality of two matrices. Both are equal matrices and both are same order. Then corresponding elements are equal. First place is equal to first place. X is equal to 5. Second place is equal to second. That means y is equal to 6. Third place is equal to third place. Z is equal to 7. W is equal to 8. Like you can solve the equality of two matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal. Both the matrices have same order and corresponding elements are equal. This type of it is called equality of matrices. Everyone understood? Second is addition of the two matrices. Addition of the two matrices means adding of the two matrices or else sum of the two matrices. Second one is addition of the two matrices. Addition of two matrices. So addition of two matrices is nothing but sum of the two matrices. So what is the meaning of the addition of the two matrices? Means two matrices A and B are two matrices A and B same order. Then sum of the matrices also have same order. It is obtained by adding the corresponding elements. Means what we are asking? Addition of the two matrices means let two matrices are A and B is the same order, then sum of the matrices also same order, then it is obtained by adding the corresponding element. Suppose we are assuming that A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 1, 6, 7. What they are asking? Addition of the two matrices, sum of the two matrices A plus B is equal to A matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4. Symbol is addition plus B matrix 1, 6, 7. So let two matrices are same order. This order of the matrix is 2 by 2. This matrix order of the matrix is 2 by 2. Let two matrices A and B are same order. Then sum of the two matrices also same order. Suppose we can add in and also this one also 2 by 2 matrix, this one 2 by 2 matrix. Finally we can add in, finally we get the same order. So next, what is the condition? Let A and B are same order, then sum of the two elements also same order. It is obtained by adding the corresponding elements. Adding corresponding elements means first place plus first place, second place plus second place, third place plus third place, fourth place plus fourth. Position corresponding elements. What is the position here? First row, first column. Here also first row, first. You can add in the 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. Next, first row, second element you can add in 2 plus 6. Next, 3 plus 7. Next, 4 plus 8. So now you can add in the sum of the two matrices. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 7 is 10. 4 plus 8 is 12. So this one also order of the matrix is 2 by 2 because of 2 rows, 2 columns. Order of the matrix is 2 by 2. So listen, what is the meaning of the addition of two matrices means if A and B are two matrices is the same order. If A and B are two matrices are the same order, then the sum value also same order. Then sum of the two elements matrices also same order. It is obtained by adding the corresponding elements. Means first place adding, second place we can adding, third place we can adding, fourth place we can adding. This is nothing but the addition of the two matrices. First one is equality of two matrices, nothing but two matrices are said to be equal. Both matrices are same order, equal to adding the corresponding elements. This one is addition of the two matrices means if A and B are two matrices of same order, then sum value also same order. It is obtained by adding the corresponding elements in matrices A and B. Adding the corresponding elements. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 6 is 8, 3 plus 7 is 10, 4 plus 8 is 12. This is the example of the addition of the two matrices. Third one is scalar multiplication of matrices. Scalar multiplication by a matrix. Third one is scalar multiplication of a matrix. A scalar is nothing but a real number or any constant value. Scalar is nothing but any real number or else constant value. If A is a matrix and K is any real number or constant value, K is any real number or constant value. Now if A is a matrix and K is any scalar, then another matrix is KA. Then K into A is 1, 2, 3, 4. If A is a matrix and K is any scalar or real number or constant, Then another matrix is Ka. Another matrix is Ka. It is denoted by or obtained. Ka is obtained by multiplying of each element of A by a scalar vector is K. Listen carefully. What is the meaning of the scalar multiplication of a matrix? Means if A is a matrix and K is any real number or scalar, then another matrix is Ka. It is obtained by multiplying each element of A by a scalar K. Means each element multiplied by K. K into 1 is K, K into 2 is 2K, K into 3 is 3K, 4 into K is 4K. So this is an example. Very easy. Don't confuse them. What the scalar multiplication of a matrix means? Scalar nothing but any real number or else constant number. If A is a matrix and K is a scalar, then another matrix is Ka. It is obtained by multiplying each element of the A by a scalar. So K into 1 is K, K into 2 is 2K, K into 3 is 3K, K into 4 is 4K. Example suppose A is equal to 2, 5, 6, 8. Find 2A. Here 2A is nothing but scalar element. Each every element product with the 2A. So 2 into A. So now you can write as this. Now write the A matrix 2, 5, 6, 8. Now each element product with the scalar element is 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16. This is an example for the scalar multiplication of matrix. Means if A is a matrix and K is any scalar matrix, scalar any real number, or then K is another matrix, K is denoted by multiplying each element of A by a scalar K. This is nothing but a scalar multiplication of matrices. Now we are going to problem how to find the sum of the two matrices, how to find the scalar multiplication of a matrix. Now we are discussing. So very easy. So first one is problems. First one is if A is equal to 4 3 3 7 4 3 3 7 and B is equal to 0 minus 1 2 5 0 minus 1 2 5. Find A plus B. Find A plus B and B minus A. So what is the addition of the two matrices condition? Let two matrices are same order. Say these two matrices are said to be both are same order. Then sum also same order. What is the condition? Adding the corresponding elements in matrices A and B. Now write the solution. Let A is equal to 4 3 3 7 and B is equal to 0 minus 1 2 5. What is they asking? Find A plus B. A plus B is equal to substitute the A matrix and B matrix. A matrix is 4 3 3 7 plus B matrix is 0 minus 1 2 5. So addition of the two matrices. How to add in the two matrices means two matrices both are same order. Both are same order and sum of the two elements also same order. It is obtained by adding the corresponding elements. Means adding corresponding elements first plus first element plus first element 4 plus 0. Next second element plus second element 3 plus symbol is minus 1. Next second row first element, here second row first element 3 plus 2. Next 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. This value you get 4 plus 0 4. 3 plus into minus 1 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 plus 2 value is 5. 7 plus 5 is 2. This is the sum of the two matrices A and B. So two matrices both are same order and sum of the two matrices also same order. Then it is obtained by adding the corresponding elements in matrix A and B. We are adding corresponding elements in matrix A and B. First element plus first element, second element plus second element, third element plus third element, fourth element plus fourth element. Next they are asking B minus A. So adding and subtracting both are same thing, only B minus A. First substitute B matrix 0, minus 1, 2, 5. What is the symbol then given? Negative symbol. Next to A. A matrix is 4, 3, 3. So we are also subtracting the corresponding elements. First element minus first element 0, minus 4. Next minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, middle symbol is negative, second position element is 3. Next the third element is 2, then the third element is 3. Middle symbol is minus 2, minus 3. Next fourth element is 5, so the symbol is negative, the fourth element is 7. Is equal to 0 minus 4 is minus 4, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 5 minus 7 value is minus 2. This is B minus A. How to get the sum of the two matrices, how to subtracting the two matrices, I think everyone understood. Because of what they are asking, sum of the two matrices means we are substituting the A matrix and B matrix. After that adding the corresponding elements. Position of the first element plus first element, position of the second element plus second element, position of the third element plus third element, position of the fourth element plus fourth element, fourth element plus fourth element. This is the sum of the two matrices. Same like subtracting the two matrices. B minus A. First substitute B matrix, symbol is related to the A matrix. We are also subtracting the corresponding element. Position of the first element minus first element, second element minus second element, third element minus third element, position of the fourth element minus fourth element. 0 minus 4 is minus 4, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, 2 minus 3 value is minus 1, 5 minus 7 value is minus 2. So everyone understood how to adding the two matrices, how to subtracting the two matrices. This is the solution. Everyone understood? Only adding the corresponding elements, only subtracting the corresponding elements. Okay? Next we are going to second problem. Suppose this question only they are asking A minus B means, this question only find A minus B means A is equal to A minus B. Right? A matrix is 4, 3, 3, 7 minus B matrix 0, minus 1, 2, 5. So now subtracting the corresponding element. Position of the first element minus first element 4 minus 0. Position of the second element minus second element 3 minus 1 minus 1. Position of the third element minus third element 3 minus 2. Position of the fourth element minus fourth element 7 minus 5 is equal to 4 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. 7 minus 3 is 2. So A minus B or B minus, how to subtracting, how to adding is adding the corresponding elements, subtracting the corresponding elements or corresponding the two matrices. Okay, everyone understood? Next we are going to second problem. Very easy matrices, very interesting topic this one. Very only simple adding, subtracting. So next after adding, subtracting we have taken after the multiplication problems. Second question. If A is equal to 3609, 3609, 42 minus 15, 42 minus 15, and B 6309, 6309, 3 minus 3, 600. 3 minus 3, 6, 9. Find A plus B. So both have same order. Solution is possibility. Solution when you have not possibility, both matrices have different order will be there. Addition is not possibility. Here both matrices have same order. Solution is possibility. Solution. What they are asking to calculate? A plus B. A plus B. So sum of the two matrices. First A matrix is 3, 6, 0, 9. 4, 2, minus 1, 5. Next symbol is positive. So taking positive symbol. Next to B matrix is 6, 3, 0, 9. 3, minus 3, 6, 9. What they are asking? Addition of the two matrices. Condition means adding the corresponding element. Position of the first place. Listen carefully. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6. Next to 6 plus 3. Next 0 plus 0. Position of the element we are adding corresponding elements. First element plus first element. Second element plus second element. Third element plus third element. Fourth element plus fourth element. That is only row. That's why we are adding only row. So next is second row. Second row first place. Here first place. 4 plus 3. Second place plus second place. 2 plus minus 3. Next second row third place minus 1 plus 6. You are understanding? I put the round. Okay, 5 plus 9. So in exam don't put the round. Okay, you are understanding? I put the round. Okay, now is equal to 3 plus 6 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9, 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 9 is 18, 4 plus 3 is 7, 2 plus into minus, minus 2 minus 3 values, minus 1 plus 6 is 5, 5 plus 9 is 14. So to find the sum of the two matrices means A plus B. You can write A plus B is equal to write the A matrix plus substitute the B matrix. After that we can now adding the corresponding elements. We are adding corresponding element. First place plus first place, second element plus second element, third place plus third element, fourth place of fourth element. Right? We can adding the corresponding elements. 3 plus 6 value is 9, 6 plus 3 value is 9, 0 plus 0 value is 0, 9 plus 9 value is 18. Next second row first place. What is the first place? 4 plus 3 is 7, 2 minus 3 value is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 6 is plus 5. 5 plus 9 value is 14. So like we can add in the corresponding elements in the two matrices A and B. Now everyone understood how to add in the two matrices means adding the sum of the first two elements. First place 3 plus 6 is 9. Second element plus second element. 6 plus 3 is 9. Third one 0 plus 0 is 0. Next fourth place 9 plus 9 is 18. Next 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus minus 3 value is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 6 value is plus 5. 5 plus 9 value is 14. Right? We can add in the corresponding elements. Everyone understood how to add in the two matrices? Next, third question. Very important third question. 6 marks question very important. Only 2 steps. They are like subtracting the two matrices. Sometimes asking this question 2 marks. Sometimes they are asking 6 marks question. Very important. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And B is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4. Find A minus B. Find A minus B. Subtracting the two matrices. Solution. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4. What they are asking to find A minus B. To find A minus B. Subtracting the two matrices A and B. First substitute A matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Next negative symbol, -1, -2, -3, 4. What they are asking to calculate? A minus means adding or subtracting the corresponding elements. They are given negative symbol, that's why we are subtracting the corresponding elements. Means first place minus first place 1 minus of -1. Next second place 2 minus of -2, 2 minus of -2, 3 minus of -3, 4 minus 4. So is equal to 1 minus of -1 is +1, 2 minus of -2 is +2, 3 minus of -3 is +3, 4 minus 4. So this value is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 value is 4, 3 plus 6 value is 3 plus 6, 4 minus 4 is 0. So how to subtract in the two matrices means A minus B is equal to substitute the A matrix minus B matrix. After that we can subtract in the corresponding elements. First position 1 minus here first position element 1 minus of this is plus 1 plus 1 value is 2. Next position of the second element minus second element 2 minus of -2 is plus 2, 2 plus 2 value is 4. Next second row first position 3 minus of -3 is plus 3, 3 plus 3 value is 6. Next position of the second row second element 4 minus 4 value is 0. Now you can subtract in the two matrices. Very important this question. So everyone understood how to subtract in the two matrices. Next fourth problem also very important for the final exam 5 marks question. This related questions only will ask for the final exam, same questions. Sometimes only ask remaining time they are also related problems. Okay, process means same. Very important. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Next B matrix is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 6, 5. Find A plus B. And the second question is A minus B. And the third question is A plus B is equal to B plus C. So they are given two matrices, A matrix and B matrices. To find first one is A plus B we have to calculate. Second is we have to subtract the two matrices. Third we have to prove that LHS part is equal to RHS part. How to find the first one? What is the first one? A plus B. So A plus B. First one is A plus. What is the A matrix? 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Plus B matrix is 0, 1, 2, 3, 6, 5. Now we are adding the corresponding element. First position of the first element 1 plus 0. Next second element in the first matrix plus second in the second matrix 2 plus 1. Next position third plus third element 3 plus 2. Now we are go to the second row. Second row first element plus first element 2 plus 3. Next second row second element plus second element 3 plus 6. Next second row third element plus second row third element 4 plus 5 is equal to 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 value is 5, 2 plus 3 value is 5, 3 plus 6 value is 9, 4 plus 5 value is 9. So 1, 3, 5, 5, 9. And how to add the sum of the two matrices is substituting the A matrix and B matrix. After that we can add in the corresponding elements. First position of the first element plus first element, second element plus second element, third element plus third element. Next second row fourth element plus fourth element, fifth element plus fifth element, or sixth element plus sixth element. Not like first row first element plus here in the matrix first row first element, first row second element, first row third element. Like you can add adding only corresponding position. Here first position first one is there, here first position is 0, but middle symbol what is the first, that's why we are adding the corresponding elements. Next second question is A minus B. Second question is A minus B. Second one is A minus B. So substitute the A matrix and B matrices. After that we can subtracting the two matrices. Same like first position. What is the first position here? 1. Symbol is negative. Here position of first element is 0. Next second element. What is the position of second element? 2. Symbol is negative. Here second element is 1. Next here 3. Symbol is negative. Element is 9. Second row. Now 2. First element is 2. Symbol is negative. Here second matrix first element is 3. Here first matrix second element is 3. Symbol is negative. Second row second element is 6. Next second row third element is 4. Symbol is negative. Second matrix second row third element is 4. So starting this 1 minus is 1. 2 minus is 1. 3 minus 12 is 1. 2 minus 12 minus 1. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Now we can subtracting the two matrices. Only 1 minus 0 value is 1. 2 minus 1 value is 1. 3 minus 2 value is 1. 2 minus 3 value is minus 1. 3 minus 6 value is minus 3. 4 minus 1 value is minus 1. We are understanding. I am writing step by step. You know how to subtract two matrices. You can write direct value. They will give 4 marks. Okay, everyone understood how to subtract the two matrices. Next, third question is A plus B is equal to B plus A. Both the values have to calculate. Both the matrices have to calculate. What they are asking third one? What is the third one? First to calculate A plus 1. This side is LHS form. LHS, left hand side. What is left hand side is given? A plus B is equal to A matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 plus B matrix is 0, 1, 2, 3, 6, 5. So now we are adding corresponding units. 1 plus 0 value is 1. 2 plus 1 value is directly I am going or else I am explaining step by step. 1 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2. Next, second row, first position. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 6, 4 plus 5. So you can add in the two matrices. 1 plus 0 value is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 value is 5, 2 plus 3 value is 5, 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 4 plus 5 9, 5 value is this is A plus B. This is left hand side. Next we have to calculate right hand side. RHS B plus A. So first substitute B matrix 0, 1, 2, 3, 6, 5. Next we are adding first positive symbol. We substitute A matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. So now we can add in the corresponding elements. 0 plus 1 value is 1, 1 plus 2 value is 3, 2 plus 3 value is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 6 plus 3 is 9, 5 plus 4, and I am writing direct step this one. Now both values are correct or not? A plus B value is 1, 3, 5, 5, 9, 9. B plus A matrix also 1, 3, 5, 5, 9, 9. Both matrices have same matrix. So that's why we are writing conclusion. LHS is equal to RHS and A plus B is equal to B plus A. Both the matrices have same elements in the matrices. So everyone understood how to add the two matrices, how to subtract in the two matrices. I think everyone understood this concept. Very easy. So what is the definition of the two matrices? Means let two matrices A and B, two matrices are same order. So now this order matrix is 2 by 3. This one also 2 by 3. If A and B are two matrices are same order, then sum of the two elements also same order. So here also 2 by 3. If A and B are two matrices are same order, then sum of the two matrices also same order. Then we are adding the corresponding elements. 1 plus 0. Because of why we are adding this condition is position of the first element plus first element, second element plus second element. We are adding third element plus third element. We are only adding first row. Here also we are adding first element. Next we are adding second row. Here adding second element. Second row first element is 2, here second row first element is 3. That's why we are adding corresponding numbers. 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9. Right, you can add it. Everyone understood? If you have any doubt is there, you can ask in the WhatsApp group. I think everyone understood this concept, how to add in the two matrices, how to subtract in the two matrices. This is the concept of the addition of the two matrices. Okay, you understood? Okay, thank you all.